Student assessment. Let's explore how mind maps can enhance student assessment. Start with student assessment in the center of your mind map. Branch out to formative assessments, summative assessments, grading criteria, and feedback strategies. Under formative assessments, include activities like quizzes, observations, and peer reviews. For feedback, detail methods such as written comments, one-on-one meetings, and rubrics. This structured approach helps you design and implement effective assessment strategies, ensuring a comprehensive evaluation of student learning. Mind maps can make your assessment process more organized and impactful. Can you dig it? I knew that you could. Peace.